उड़ू ऊंचा।
Hello children, in this video we are going to learn the sound of the letter Z. Say it with me. Z, 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 z. This is a zoo. Let's look for the letter Z hidden in this picture. Oh, look, there is one Z on this tree. I can see one more right here. Yes, that's a Z. Let's observe even more closely. Z, 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 Z. We have found so many letters Z. We did a great job. Look, zebra. Z, zebra. You know what? Zebras can sleep while standing up. They spend lots of time eating grass. They live in groups, and a group of zebras is called a dazzle. When they are afraid of any animal, they run in a zigzag pattern. And of course, they have a brilliant black and white striped coat that make them stand out in so many other animals. Z, zebra, z, zigzag, z, zoo. This is a garden. Can you see any flowers in this garden? No, there aren't any flowers here. You are right. There are 0 number of flowers in the garden. 0 means nothing. No flowers in the garden. 0. Z, z, 0. Now let's give this garden some pretty flowers. Do you know the name of these flowers? Let me tell you. They are called zinnia. Z, z, zinnia. Oh, look at these bees. Can you hear these bees buzzing? Buzz. I think they are trying to teach us the Z sound. Z. Zest. Z, z, zest. Zest is the colored part of the peel or skin of fruits like oranges and lemons. We use zest to flavor the food like pastries, cookies, cakes, candies, and marmalades. Z, zebra, z, zoo, z, zigzag, z, zest, z, 0, z, zinnia. Now let's see if you can identify words beginning with the sound Z. Z. Let me show you some pictures. Laptop, zinnia, zebra, sunrise, zucchini. Which picture begin with the sound Z? Laptop? No. What about zinnia? Yes, you are right. Z, zinnia. What about sunrise? No, sunrise does not begin with the sound Z. What about zinnia and zucchini? Yes, Z, zinnia, Z, zucchini. You did a great job.
Like, share and subscribe.